All right, guys. So exercise 2B, you should have seen that the slope was -2/1. Why is it over 1? Because we always write slope as a fraction. The reason why is because it's a road map, right? We need to have those directions. The top number tells us up or down. The bottom number tells us left or right. If we don't have a bottom number, we don't know whether to go left or right or how much, right? So put that slope into a fraction. It's going to make it way easier. Our y-intercept in this case was +10. So if you take a look at our graph, we started at +10. We put the negative with the top number, which means we went down 2 and then right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Here was our full line. We got every point that could be on this graph. An important note to make is that you always want to find all the possible points that are on the graph space. So you don't want to just do 3 points and then just put an arrow and say, I've got them all, right? Get every single point that's on the graph space before you connect them with a line, and then always put your arrow at the end to show that you are continuing on past that, but your graph paper ran out of space, okay? Make sure you're also labeling your line. So I labeled it, y equals -2x plus 10. You could put this as -2x over 1, but again, you're not going to really see that. Mathematicians are lazy. If you don't have to put a 1, they're not going to. Okay, so you're going to see it more often like that. Okay, another point to note here is eventually we're going to get to some things where we're graphing two lines and figuring out where they intersect. That's why it's super crucial to be very precise. It's sort of, if you were a little bit sloppy, it sort of looks like this purple line and the orange line cross at this point 3, 4, but they really don't, because the purple line does not touch 3, 4. All right, it's a little bit off. So that is not the intersection. The intersection would be like right here, which would be some sort of decimal, okay? So you got to be precise when you are graphing. Make sure that your lines touch the points, don't go off in any other direction. Make sure you get every single point on the line that is on the graph space, okay? Good luck with your next video, and I will see you then.